in last video we saw how to read file asynchronously. Now we are going to see how to read the file synchronously. So first of all, I am going to comment this line. Next, what I will do, I'll just come here. I will just use constant and variable name as data. Then we'll use fs dot read. See here we are having read sync and read file sync. So we are going to use here. Next, if you open here, you will see first one is a path, next one is a option. Here there is no any callback. So what we can give your path? Path means file name. Here you can see I'm having this file is here. So just use test file.txt. Then I'm going to use option as utf8. So what will happen? This one is responsible how to read the file. It will read here, right? Next I'm going to copy this line. Then I'm going to paste. I'll try to use here data. So in last video we saw like hi was coming earlier before the file. Here we'll just come and run this program. So once you will run, here you can see it is showing hi, how are you? Okay, because it is starting from here. Once it is done, then it comes to the hi, and now it will come here your server, because our server code is offside. Here we saw two different ways to read the file, but both the method read the entire file content in memory before returning the data. So this is a problem for future, because when we are going to read the large file of data, so we have to handle that situation. So we can handle by the using of streams. So in next video we are going to see how to use the stream.